Spring is the perfect time to plant carrots, and for many gardening enthusiasts, this is one of the most enjoyable tasks. Planting at the right time promises large, sweet roots, but achieving such results requires careful soil preparation and proper feeding. The season for sowing begins as early as February when the soil is workable and reaches a minimum temperature of 8 degrees Celsius. The soil should be light, airy, and rich in nutrients to allow the roots to grow straight and healthy. Natural fertilizers are an excellent choice because they release nutrients gradually, supporting the plants throughout the entire growing season. Friends, type "I want" in the comments, and I will send you my perfect free recipe for planting onions. Next, I will show you an easy method to nourish your carrots for strong growth and large roots. Before we start, we will also speed up seed germination to achieve faster and more uniform sprouting. Place the seeds in a small sieve and prepare a shallow bowl. Pour vodka over the seeds and let them sit for 15 minutes. This technique encourages quicker germination, and you may see tiny sprouts in just a few days. Carrot seeds naturally contain essential oils on their surface, which act as a barrier and slow down water absorption. The alcohol in vodka helps break down and wash away some of these oils. After soaking, rinse the seeds thoroughly with room temperature water and allow them to dry before sowing. While the seeds are drying, prepare a nutrient-rich solution for the soil. Grind eggshells into a fine powder. They are an excellent addition to the soil because they provide vital nutrients that support healthy growth, especially for the carrot roots. Calcium, the main component, strengthens cell walls and makes the plant more resistant to rot, reducing the risk of root deformities and diseases. Add the powdered eggshells to a liter of warm water and mix well. Next, add a tablespoon of used coffee grounds. Coffee grounds are high in potassium and phosphorus, two essential minerals for root development and flowering. Potassium improves stress resistance, balances water in the plant, and strengthens roots, while phosphorus promotes robust root growth, which is critical for carrots since we eat the root. Finally, stir in a tablespoon of wood ash. Wood ash is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. Calcium further reinforces cell walls, making carrots less prone to rot and deformities. Potassium helps plants cope with stress, and phosphorus, like in coffee grounds, supports the development of strong and healthy roots. Let the mixture sit for a day. Then dilute it with 4 to 5 liters of water and use it to water the prepared soil before sowing. After the seedlings emerge, continue to feed them occasionally with the same solution to ensure healthy growth and a bountiful harvest. Dear viewers, tell us in the comments where you are watching from. We love seeing which parts of the world you come from, and be sure to check out our next video as well. Thank you and see you soon.